This widget library is an enhanced version of the native Niagara widget library. It provides more modern-style widgets. Copy the jar file from the product package into the modules folder in the Niagara installation directory. Search for the module in the palette. Then drag kitPx Kubavar into the services section of the station to build PX pages. Take the history widget as an example. Drag the history widget into the editing page. You can edit the components, color, size, style, time, range, and other settings. Find the history points and enter the names of the points. Multiple history points can be bound at the same time. Open the page in a browser to display the widget style. The same widget can have different display styles. Other widgets follow the same operation logic and are also easy to configure. Drag widgets such as borders, labels, key value pairs, and circular charts into the editing page. After configuring the widget properties, open the page in the browser to view the result. This widget library includes more than 40 widgets. For energy management, it provides line charts, bar charts, energy trend charts, and energy Sankey diagrams. It also includes input boxes, gauges, pop-up widget, and more. Hovering the mouse can display tooltips, and clicking widget can open pop-up windows, meeting different user needs. Different widgets can be freely combined to quickly build various system visualization pages. Feel free to contact us for a free trial.